Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. And if you are stopping by for the very first time, welcome. We are happy to have you here. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this acrylic frame before you. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how I was able to do this. And please, if you have not subscribed, I want you to go ahead and do that. And also don't forget to like, share, and also leave a comment in case you have any question. Now I'm also going to be dropping my number on the screen. Please don't call this number to ask questions. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'm dropping this number in case you have you don't know where to get your materials. I'm always available to help you with materials as long as you are staying around River State and its environs. Okay, so now we are going to go straight into the video. All right, so this is the plywood that I'm using for this. So you can see I'm already applying the gum on it. I've already made a video before where I explained all the materials that I use for this, but in case you are coming for the first time, I'm going to be dropping all the materials on the description box below. I already printed my artwork. That is the picture I'm going to be framing here. So after using this gum, this is aboki gum, like I've said in the other video. This is aboki gum, so you just use it and apply it all over the plywood, just in this form that I'm doing it. Just make sure it gets to every part of it. Just make sure you just apply it to all the areas. Make sure it touches every surface of this wood, and you're also going to apply it on the artwork that you printed, which is the picture that you are going to be framing. Just take a look at how I'm doing it. Just follow the same pattern and you just make sure the gum touches every part of it in this form. Okay, so after applying the gum, you just go ahead and place the material on the plywood, just like I did. Sorry, it got late and I had to continue this the next day. So the next thing I did was to peel off one part. What I'm holding now is the acrylic glass, so you just go ahead and peel it. Always have a paper on both sides just to protect it from scratches. So you go ahead and peel off one of the side, which is exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, so I'm going to be using a drilling machine to open up the places I'm going to be placing those knobs. Okay, so now I'm taking the measurement, so I know exactly where to place it. So I want to place it 3 inches from the top. So that is why I'm taking the measurement, the 4 side. So I'm going to be using a drilling bit. If you don't have a drilling bit, you can make use of your scissors, of anything you can use and open that hole. You can make use of it. So since I have a drilling bit, I'm going to be using that for this. Okay, so I'm through with that. Now I'm going to place the knobs where I already made the holes. Okay, so the next thing is the edge tape. So this is called edge tape. You can actually get it from those people that sell building materials. Okay, so now I'm trying to cut it to the size of my plywood. So we are going to be using this to wrap around the edges of that plywood to make it. You can see what I'm doing. You are going to use your gum, that is the yellow aboki gum. You are going to use it and then apply it around that plywood. So you apply it around the plywood both on the wood and also on the edge tape that I just showed you now. So that's done. The next thing, you can use either a scissors or a razor, just like I'm doing now, and trim off all the excesses. So you can use either a cutter, whatever you are using, you want to use. Okay, so at the point I used razor, and at a point I used a cutter. So whatever you are going to use to cut off that, you use it. And then here we are through. So you can see where I'm now peeling off the other paper on the acrylic glass. So we have come to the end of this video. If you have watched till this extent, thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do that. Like I've said earlier, if you need any of these materials and you are anywhere around Port Harcourt and its environs, you can always contact the number on the screen. But this is strictly for business. If you have a question, just go ahead and drop it on the comment section, and I'm going to attend to your questions. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.